Yeah, an emoji review or whatever that is. So basically I'm just trying to test the bonus stylus for my dream gadget. So basically it is not specific produced by those brand, but I think it is pretty good stylus. Consider I used to have it, but I don't know where I put it, but it was quite good stylus, especially for Apple devices that didn't support Apple Pencil. So I think it is pretty worth it because Procreate is also available on those platforms, especially iPhone. Even the newer iPhone still, sadly, it didn't support Apple Pencil because Apple used to be really hated about stylus. So that's the reason why they only try to implement the stylus on a tablet, which is basically really weird as well, because tablet right now is just almost look like a phone. Maybe future phone will kind of at the size of tablet, but with the flip screen, I don't know. So first I just tried to test using Apple Pencil, which is, yeah, it is barely seen. Because yeah, it is just for testing purposes, and the ring light is just so bright until, and my screen is just too low, has very low brightness. So I tried to charge the Apple Pencil again, which I haven't thought to for a while, because I just want to make the comparison between Apple Pencil and just cheap stylus, which maybe around less than $5, but yeah, it is pretty cool because you don't have to charge it over and over again, because yeah, Apple Pencil didn't have a long standby time because maybe it is always on for some reason. That's the reason why if we didn't use it, the battery is still drained, so you still need to connect into the iPad in order to charge it, which is pretty fast. But yeah, consider the battery capacity is maybe very low. It is pretty sensitive, but I'm not sure how long it may stay right there, because the disadvantage of the stylus that basically didn't require powers. It basically depends on a tip that very easy to wear out for some reason. I don't know why, unless it was the thicker surface one, which is pretty much impossible to use for drawing, because yeah, it just has very wide surface, so it's pretty annoying. But at least I don't have to buy it again, even though it is very cheap. But I always postpone about this kind of stylus because I always think it is not really matter, because I don't actually good at drawing either. So the video is pretty long, it's around 4 minutes, but yeah, pretty unnecessary. So yeah, the second